Polyethylene glycol is given for the gastrointestinal lavage before any surgical procedure or for the colonoscopy. Here you need to empty whole of the packet in 1 liter of the water, mix it properly, and after that you can add the flavoring agent related to your flavor, it like orange flavor or the pineapple flavor, and after that add 1 liter of water again and mix it properly. Now you need to empty, you have to drink it, you have to drink at the rate so that you need to drink about 1 liter of the polyethylene glycol in 1 hour. Now you take 1 glass of the water of the Peglec, the solution that you have prepared, and you have to drink it every 15 minutes. And after that you can drink another 1 liter of the water in the next 1 hour. In between you need to go to the toilet, you can, and this contain electrolyte also for the oral rehydration. And thanks for watching.